Hello guys, so in this video we're going to take a look at how we can save locations to Google Maps. So this feature is very useful if you have a couple locations that you want to have quick access to, or you have a couple friends that are planning a trip and you want to collectively work on a list of places to visit or something like that. So this is a very useful feature. To save locations, then you should just go select a location and make sure you find this button save. Otherwise, just scroll to the right and you'll find it. And here we have a couple default lists of locations. So you could select one of those, but I'm going to make a new list. So I'm going to give it a name. And you can either make the list private or shared. I'm going to select shared and hit create. Now the list is going to be created, and I can select people from my contacts to actually add to the list, or I can use this. This is the list menu. You can click share here, and you can use copy to clipboard to get a link for the list. And then you can continue to add other places to the list. So if I select another place here and hit save, I'm going to be given my list, and I can add notes and so on, and hit save. So if I want to see my list at any moment, I can click my user icon here on the top right hand of the screen and select saved here. And then I have my lists with all my places, and here I have again the menu to share the list. So that's it for today. Hope it was useful. Make sure you like the video, subscribe, and see you in the next one.